Are you selling in the UAE? Here's what you need to know about VAT rules. Hi, I'm Richard Kupchak, co-founder and CEO of Safari Star. And in this video, we'll be looking at the key VAT requirements in the United Arab Emirates. When VAT was introduced, who needs to register, the standard rates, the registration process, and the risk of non-compliance. The UAE introduced VAT on the 1st of January 2018 as part of the GCC-wide VAT framework. The standard VAT rate is only 5% applied to most goods and services. Resident businesses must register if their annual taxable turnover exceeds 375,000 dirham, which is around $100,000. Voluntary registration is allowed if the turnover or taxable expenses exceed 187,500 dirham. Non-resident businesses making taxable supplies in UAE must register immediately, regardless of the turnover, and may need a local tax agent to assist. Regarding fiscal representatives, the UAE does not require a fiscal representative for non-resident businesses. However, many overseas sellers appoint a local tax agent registered with the Federal Tax Authority (FBA) to manage their compliance. The registration process: typically you will need the following details. You'll need your business incorporation documents such as your trade license, certificate of incorporation, and so forth. Proof of your trading activity. This will include things like contracts, invoices, import-export documentation, and also identification documents for the directors or the owners. Registration is completed online by the Federal Tax Authority (FBA) e-service portal and typically takes 1 to 2 weeks to complete. Once approved, you'll receive your VAT registration certificate and the TRN, the tax registration number. When it comes to filing and compliance, VAT returns are generally filed quarterly. Larger businesses may require to file monthly depending on the turnover. Returns and payments are submitted electronically through the FBA e-service portal. Failure to register on time can lead to a late registration penalty of 10,000 dirham. Late filing penalties start at 1,000 dirham for the first offense and 2,000 dirham for the repeated offenses, plus daily interest on unpaid VAT. Non-compliance can also lead to suspension of the trade license and restrictions on doing business in the UAE. To recap, the UAE applies VAT at a standard rate of just 5%. Resident businesses must register once their turnover exceeds 375,000 dirham, while non-resident businesses must register immediately if they make taxable supplies. Compliance requires timely quarterly or monthly filings through the FBA portal. Thank you for watching this video. If you found the content useful, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on VAT and international compliance.